Aprang se KARDOM kadukawe Karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara do ana first time lapen pininali tumhan la so video long nang kethan ponji labangke teachers of reng warsai Assam government hin pen kapik lang pon la so of reng warsai APUTHAK sinali tumhan la so video long nang than pachini ponikpo nali tum la son update la pe la son video nali tum kilangong verje fan la so YouTube channel labangke nali tum subscribe ikon la pe latest update kilong verje fans tame bell arjan theklo hodak tame nali tum berpon igdernonตั้งแต่นอนประเทศเป็นหลังปนนังละเป็นเจตานปนนังตั้งแต่นอนประเทศเป็นเจตานปนนัง DEE Assam Teacher Recruitment 2024และเป็นการดูกับเป็นดัก 35,133 contractual teachers post online นอนเหตุจง DEE Assam Recruitmentมาแต่ Directorate of Elementary Education Assam หินเป็นสตาเมด official advertisement มา release ปนอีกแล้วLapen kaduka wepen dak 35,133 assistant teachers lapen science graduate teachers atumafan contractual lapen state pool contractual teachers under samagra shiksha Assam mate SSA hin pensta medak post bang release pon iglo nona so details le lang polonang lapen chethan pon lonang kichengsi nali tum dak thek polong po highlight lang polonang DEE Assam teacher recruitment lapen post amen labangke assistant teacher lapen total number of posts labangke 35,133 name of organization labangke DEE Assam pen lapen qualification labangke contractual teachers lapen application process online se apply nang po lapen application fee dak sikai sita pinang ne lapen dak application start pon labangke 6 August pen lapen last date labangke 12 August 2024 si last date lo lapen especially la so our ingward cycle p labangke non la contractual ke claim bomb under SSA under ke claim bomb abang phu mate abang fi tum phano la se alang li tum phanon bangke permanent po pusida ke tok pon no se non nali tum jong se contractual SSA under claim example nali tum prabjin pen apply dun igon lapen DEE recruitment details bang la son no nali tum thek ponong ikpon name of post la bangke da assistant teachers lapen science graduate teachers atumfan number of post 35,133 type of school lower lapen upper primary atumfan lapen organization labangke directorate elementary education Assam hin penno eligibility criteria labangke langdam lote nalitum dak thek ponlong ikpo candidate must be working a contractual and state pool contractual teachers under SSA as of 31st July 2024 lapen candidate labangke nalitum contractual claim bomb teachers SSA under atum phano lapen atum si jogdunong po lapen candidate must have completed 5 years of continuous service as contractual and stateful contractual teachers lapen candidate atum 5 years ke plengtang atum nang po ala sovereign over saifan ki jogdunji labangke 5 years contractual claim tang atum nang po lalo pulte jogdon long ek pola pen pay scale na litum dak pen thek pon long ji 14,000 pen 70,000 anang litum long pon ek po lapen additional pay labangke grant pay and order allowance as per rule ting lo lapen ka apply ningi a process labangke nalitum online si apply nang ikpo lapen offline form labangke accept pe important date dak nalitum thek ponang po 6 August 2024 pen seda application start bangke cheng pono application last date 12 August 2024 si last date lo nalitum so article wang te dak pen nalitum advertisement alu long pon ikpo lapen online application links tamen nalitum long pon ikji lapen ilinon official advertisement alu ba nalitum han asap sowet pen tamen ang paklang pon ikpo Screen alo nalitum thek polong ji the advertisement alolo advertisement for a special recruitment drive with a view support the students and improve the quality elementary education the state of Assam and references of government approval nalitum dak thek polong ikpo kadu ka wepen kon ana post vacancies sida ke tok pon mala pen ko so website long sidam nang ji mala so details tame dak tok pon la pen documents copy piece nai mala bang ke nalitum online website long dam pen nalitum thek dam long ikpo la soling ni la so video description long stame pipon ikpo la pen nalitum hola soling long bar pen stame nalitum direct apply dam ikmelo la pen komat masenon SSA under contractual teachers ke claim bomma nalitum la so video comment along pachini iktha jongsi contractual teachers atum jong sikilang bangdu pulo tangte nasionale tum prabjin pen apply dun igon jog dun igon la pen sonson update kilong verje fan nang le tum la so YouTube channel la bangke nale tum subscribe igon tangde pini update long bangke nili la ansna than ponchot po lapsi domi thakme kadukave Karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kilagara do anfans tami nilhin pen kardom.